How to redeem Sephora gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can redeem your Sephora gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To redeem and begin using your Sephora gift card, first of all just go to sephora.com and then sign into your account, right? So whether you're on PC or mobile doesn't really matter because the interface is pretty much the same. You just have to look for your profile icon if you're on mobile from the bottom, and if you're on desktop just click on the profile icon from the top right. You'll see this pop-up menu where you have to select the option called account settings. So just go to account settings here, and then when you go to account settings, scroll down under account information. You'll find the option called payments and credits. Just tap on the payment and credit option. Once you tap on payment and credit, here it'll ask you the option called gift card, and you can enter your card number and pin number and then check the balance of your gift card, right? So this is only to check the balance of your gift card. Now if you want to use your gift card after you figure out the balance, you need to add the products that you want to buy to your cart and then use the gift card in the payment method. So let's say I want to purchase this product over here, and I'm just going to select that product right like this. So once I open the product page, I'm just going to add them to my basket over here, right? And once I basically add them to my basket, I'll just come to my cart icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then I'll just go to the option called checkout. And once I select checkout over here, you'll be able to see different type of payment method over here. So under it, first of all, make sure to enter your shipping address. Once you enter your shipping address, it'll ask you to simply enter your delivery and gift options, right? And once you've done all of that, just make sure to enter the payment method, and inside payment method option you have to just choose the option called add gift card. So as you can see over here, add a gift card option. So just make sure to enter your gift card number and your pin, and then apply the gift card balance, and then it's going to be used to buy this product over here. This is how you can use a Sephora gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.